this is Wasim. Welcome back to my channel Wagon Picks. Hope you are all doing great and having good time. This is the 16th tutorial of JavaScript series, and topic of this tutorial is structuring and destructuring in JavaScript. Okay, we will be going through the points. The first point which we will be looking at is introduction to structuring and destructuring. So what exactly do I mean by when I say structuring and destructuring? And second point will be saying structuring of object and array. Okay, so and third point we will be going through is destructuring of object and array. Okay, so these are the points which we will be going through today, and we have already seen the objects and arrays in different tutorials. So if you have not gone through those tutorials, I would request you to go through those tutorials. So what do I mean by structuring is structuring is a way to create objects, okay, with properties and value in more concise manner. Okay, basically what we will be doing in structuring is we will be looking at how can we create an object given properties for that object. Okay, so to start with, I already have my code over here. Okay, this is the code. I was just doing some practice. So here we are, and let us define a variable. Let us take the name of the variable uh, as constant, and let us name it as first. Name of variable is first name. Okay, and in this name we will store Wasim. Okay, and second variable is last name, and let us store my last name. It's Raza. Okay, we have taken two okay, we have taken two variables over here. Now what we'll do is we have to make use of these two variables and create a object out of it. Okay, so the key should be first name, and the value assigned to this key should be Wasim, and next key should be last name, and value assigned to this key should be Raza. Okay, so we have seen in our previous topic how can we do that directly. I mean to say directly in the sense we will see how we have seen it earlier. I will take a variable called person name. Okay, and in this this is the object. Person is the object. Now we will define the parameters for this object. How will we do that? First name, I will store this as, okay, and next is the last name. This is the second parameter. Okay, now we have stored, we created an object, console log person. Okay, so this is how we define the object. Like we have defined the parameters, individual parameters to the object. This is how we did earlier. Okay, we will quickly see how this appears. So here we have the object, the key, and the value assigned to this key. But now in structuring, let me give the name first. Okay, in structuring we will not assign this, we will not follow this traditional method. So what we can do directly is we'll remove this. Okay, we already have the parameters. Just pass the parameters to this variable. Okay, how can we do that? First name, last name, simple. So here we are. What we did, we just added these two names or variable names to this, and this became an object. Let us see how this appears. See here, there is no change in the key and the value. Okay, if you extend this, it shows an object. Okay, so this is about the structuring. We have seen, we defined the variables and then we assign these combination of variable as key value pair to this constant. Okay, so this is about the structuring. So next step is similarly, we saw this for object. Okay, what if you want to make an array? Okay, how can we do that? Simple, no change, just you need to change this flower brackets to our array brackets. Okay, if you do this, this will become the first uh, value of this array, and za will become the second value of this person array. Okay, and if I refresh this, here we have first Wasim and second value is Raza. So this is how we are structuring the elements inside the object and the array. Okay, similarly we'll see destructuring. Destructuring. Okay, how will we do destructuring? So destructuring is the reverse method. So we already have an object and we are extracting the values from that object. So how will we do that? Let us take one more constant second person. Okay, let me take an object first. So let's take the first key as name, and name is Raj. Okay, and last let us take phone number. Okay, 123. Okay, this is the phone number of Raj's phone number. And now what we'll do is, if I want to extract this name value, how can I do that? I can simply do second person dot name. Okay, let me print this first. So I will remove this console. We don't want this console right now. What this does, we can extract the value of name. So we got Raj. Okay, so if suppose I want to extract all the elements, I don't there's no need to extract it manually like this. This is the traditional way, this is the good way. This we will be using this way. But if you have an case where you want to extract all the elements or all the properties of an object, how can you do that? We can use the destructuring method. For this, what I will do, constant, I will define a constant, and second, I've taken this name. Okay, and sorry, we will not define a name, we'll directly take the values name person. We'll take this, we will take this as a variable, and phone number. Okay, now I will take this as, so what we have done over here is, we define an object, and in this object we had two parameters, properties, name and phone number. And here what we have done, we have defined a constant, two variables, constant variables, name, person and phone number, and we have assigned these two variables to this object. Okay, this object is assigned to these two variables. Now what happens is, automatically the first property will be assigned to this first parameter, second property will be assigned to this second parameter. Okay, so we can quickly check. I will remove this console. Okay, now what we have done, we have just printing the values. When I refresh, okay, there is some issues, why we are getting undefined. Okay, sorry. In this case, what we have to do is we cannot take the different names. We need to take the constant value same as the key value of this object. Okay, so I will take the same name. Okay, now we will see. Here we have destructured the object, and we have segregated the parameters, and we have assigned it to two variables, that is name and phone number. Okay, this is about the destructuring of an object. Similarly, if we have array, you can use the same concept to destructure the array. For that, we can do is, let us take the same example. Okay, I will remove this out. This is how we define the destructuring method. So here we have, this is the array, and I am extracting uh, these elements from the array and assigning to name and phone number. So okay, Raj is not defined. Okay, actually, phone number I will put 123. It is showing as undefined. I don't know why. Okay, sorry, I think we need to take array bracket over here. So here we got the same way, as we restructured these object. Similarly, we can follow the same steps and extract the array element and assign it to the individual variables. Okay, so this was all about the structuring and destructuring of arrays and objects in JavaScript. This concept, we can individually use this extract the elements or properties, but this is very helpful to reduce your large code. If you have a lot of things to extract from an object or an array, you can use the simple method and you can extract the values. Okay, so if you are planning, or if you are coding in React, then this is heavily used in React applications to extract some variables or extract parameters, object parameters. Okay, so this was all about the structuring and destructuring. Let me know if you have any kind of questions or concerns, or any topic to be discussed. I will create a different tutorial on that, and I will come up with a new tutorial. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being with me on this tutorial, and have a great day.